Let's see. I'm at this triple treasure pot. I played this the last time I was here. 88-cent bet. I mean, it was actually good, but you never know. Coins. See, I'm not gonna give it a lot though, because it's either the machine is hot or it's not. So you gotta not get suckered into it. Yeah. See. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Old school. All right. Action. What's it called? Action Dragons. Okay, I'm gonna. It's $1.50. I got that ticket and I cashed out $8.40. So. Oh, that. So far, nothing. All right. Try. I'm probably gonna go to Mustang Fever next. So we'll see. Let's see how this one does. I do $2.50 to start. And I'll do it down to $2. $2.50. All right, let's not give in. Let's try something else. Okay, 800. Got to 692. I was literally gonna stop because I was literally saying that's it, I'm done. 690 was gonna be my cutoff, and I was like, that's it, I'm done, and it came up. Okay, even though I'm not thrilled, it's only $1 bet, and I didn't win anything yet. Oh, I got the 9s. Oh, that's good. The 9s, 6 times multiplier on the 9, $18. Oh, $20. All right. If I could get that to bust, all right. I don't even get free games. It's not even me triggering. All right, the kings are going across also, so at 4 times. All right. So another 16 at least. Come on. Did I get it? Oh, I didn't get it. Darn it. Alright, so what'd I get? So maybe I'll try it a little more. I'll put it away for now. Oh, I am down to 600. I got the Tiger bonus though. I did not expect that. I just sat down. I think it was like first or second spin. Oh, but it doesn't mean anything. But I did play $1.50. Oh, okay. It resets every time you do that. Okay. Let's try and get a bunch of them. Oh, no. One more? Oh, good. Okay. Fill it up right here. That would be great if you filled it up there. Here. Come on. Oh, come on. All right. Okay. Double digits. Double. Come on. Double. Okay. All right. Come on. Big. Keep going. 15. All right. $50. 11 there. 98 there. All right. Okay. All right. Well, it's something at least, right? And then 98 cents. Okay. All right. Almost $30. Okay. All right. All right. I'm gonna stop here. I'll play a little bit more. See if anything else. Crap. I'm down to 450. I mean, I got all 3 of them. Wow. Holy crap. All right, let's hope it does something. 5 cents denomination, $2 bet. I cracked all 3. This could be really good. Look, 1, 2, and 3. Wow.
That's what I'm talking about. Golden rice. So has been filled. Golden Rocket is here.
next one too. Oh, there's multipliers in this version. Oh, that's why. Wow. And I got a lot of those, the wing things, whatever they're called. Strike?
2 times. 3 times.
Oh, it's over. It's over. Darn it. How much did I win? Oh, wow. Holy crap. Oh, my goodness. $242. Wow. I'm up to $450, $550, $700? I'm like at $700. Wow. Oh, my goodness. Wow. That's amazing. I didn't think I was going to win anything, so I didn't even record it. But, oh my goodness, look at this. I've been winning. Wow, this is crazy. Look, oh, that's 4. Wow, this is crazy. I can't believe that. And I was going to sit at the other machine on that side, but this guy and his wife came and they grabbed that, so I came and I sat here. Wow. 176, 7. I'm over what I started with this morning. I started with 800. Wow. This is fabulous. Holy freaking cow. I can't believe this. Just on Ultra Spins, I did this. And I don't even like this game. Like, I played it before at Melanie and I never did anything. So, all right. Okay, so let's see what my total is like. Look at that, 815. I started with 800 this morning, and I had a hand pay yesterday. This is crazy, amazing. Okay, I'm flabbergasted. I can't believe this. Hold on, I was playing 240, but went to 160, but I did collect boost and collect, which could be amazing. I just wish I had the 240 going. I was playing 5 cents before. All right, darn it. All right, let's see how we do. Oh, it's not even a big screen, so. Oh, may not do anything. You need the one where you get the big screen, which I think is the jackpot version. All right, so the blue one will collect everything. All right. The green one is going to boost everything. Well, not everything. Oh, figures 50 cents. Okay, we got to get some blue in there, though. Okay, at least it'll boost it, but... Come on, big numbers. Big numbers. All right, dollar. Everything became a dollar more. All right. Alright, let's get a boost or a collect.
Boost your treasure.
Boost again, alright. Come on, big numbers. Big, 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 big. Not 50. Alright, $1.50. Alright. Alright, it's something at least. No, can we get the blue collect? Let's get a collect. Because then the screen will empty out again. Oh, darn it. Alright.
It is all yours.
Okay, how much? Alright, $36. Alright, well, that brought me up to $760. I did start with 800 today, so damn. Okay, alright, I'll stop here for now. Well, look at that. After I go on, I got the major for 150. I got 300. Oh my god, did I get the bonus? Oh, that was it. Oh my god, I'm up to 900. I just won 300 on that, on $1.60 bet.
What are you betting?
$1.60, but
I wouldn't have hit that bet dollar sale. I was only betting 80.
it was only $1.60.
Yeah, I was betting 80, so I wouldn't have
And
got that.
I got the major in there and it doubled it. It was crazy. I don't even know what the hell that was.
Bonus like 7 times. on
This
that.
is not even a bonus. This
Yeah.
was just a weird line hit
Yeah.
that I don't even know what how the hell that just happened. Holy friggin' cow. That's crazy.
Old pig.
So wait, so I have to get a pig though, otherwise I don't win it, right?
Yeah. You gotta get a pig.
Ah.
Might be 2 pigs.
All of this, he bet. All right, and another pig over there.
Oh, you get all that.
What's that? $10, 20. All right. Oh, and if I got a pig on that side, it would have doubled it. Yeah. All right. All right. $1,000. Okay. All right. 3-point feature. Oh, not. All right. No multiplier either? Damn it. All right. 37. All right. Not what I was looking for. All right. Okay. So after all my playing, I'm down to $990. I did put $50 on free play in. I am cashing out. I am done for the day. That's it. I'm going home. Oh, I didn't want to. Oh, multiplier. See the 2 multiplier? No, all right. $1.50 and $9.90. Okay, cashing out. Let's see what my ticket is. $9.75. Oh, I still got $15 to play. All right. That's it. Whatever happens, it's done. My husband's waiting for me. He wants us to leave, so that's it. No more playing. That's it. Multiplier? You want to? Oh, yes. 2 times. All right. All right, nothing. That's it. We're done. All right, that's it. Last one. Oh, all right, we're done. Okay. Well, that was a good trip. Thank you. Thank you, Atlantic City. Thank you to one of my favorite hotels. All right, that's it. Good night. Over and out.